Emily. I am going to show you how I curl my hair and what products I love and what works for me. If you have any questions on what product you should be using, because I have coarse, frizzy hair, and I would love to help and answer all your questions. And hopefully you guys catch on and get some tips and tricks on how you can curl your hair to have this beachy, effortless wave. Enjoy. So what I'm gonna do is, I always like to start, this is like a fresh blowout, wash and blow out. My hair is wavy, curly, so I blow it out, and this is as best it's gonna get because it's hella hot out here, frizzy. So I like to part down the middle. I don't part my hair down the middle. When I style it, you'll see. And I like to work my way from the bottom all the way to the top. So let's get to it. So just part my hair down the middle. And I like to get 1-inch sections and just clip it. I have a lot of baby hairs. Okay, so this is about like a 2-inch section. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna half it. And anything around the face, you're gonna want to always curl away from the face. And notice how when I grab the curl line, I like to straighten out my roots because I do have curly, wavy hair, and that's where it gets the most curly, wavy. So start from the roots and just count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work your way. The trick is to not leave it on too long. And notice how I'm not gonna curl the ends. I'm gonna straighten it out. Just like a little bend. And it should look something like this. I like to brush my hair with my fingers, but you also can get a brush. Okay. So this part, since I went away from my face, I'm gonna go curl my hair towards my face. That way it gives it that beachy, wavy look. So straighten out my roots and get it nice and straight. And just a couple of seconds. Slowly let it go. And remember, don't curl the tips. That is the trick. Because once you start curling the tips, it looks just too perfect. And you want that beachy, wavy look. So again, you get another small section. Pin the top. Ooh. Half it. Make sure everything is nice and brushed out. And then straighten out your roots. I just do this always a couple of times to make sure it's nice and straight. All right, so curl away from the face. Work your way down. Always leave the tip out. And just do a slight bend. This curling iron is a Babyliss Pro. It's a 1 1/4. I use this short hair, long hair. It works. It's one of my favorites. I like it over the 1-inch curling iron. I like it more than the 2-inch. It's just the perfect size. Let's go ahead and straighten this out. And remember, we did this one away from the face. This one's gonna be towards the face. sometimes if they don't like the way it looks, do it over. But clean sectioning is where it's at. So I've been doing hair for 12 years and I love it. There's always room to learn more techniques. So this one's gonna go away from the face. And this one's gonna go towards the face. And notice how I'm getting closer to the top. I'm starting to get smaller and smaller sections. And the reason why I go away from the face, towards the face, away from the face, is because if you do it all in the same direction, it tends to look, it clumps up together and just do like a S wave. And personally, I don't like that. And honestly, the more and more you practice, the faster you start doing it. I'd always get asked, like, how do you curl hair? It's just practice. Grab the curling iron, and then you'll start catching on to like the techniques or what feels really comfortable to you. This one's over. So I use a shampoo, conditioner, styling products, everything IGK. Smells so good. I literally smell everything before I purchase it. Then it doesn't have a fragrance, I just won't buy it. So as for the top, I'll curl away from the face. So it should look something like this. Okay. So for the next part, same theme. You can tell already, this is all kinky, curly. Well, it's getting frizzy, so I'm gonna focus on straightening out my hair with the curling. Towards my face. I honestly rather have my hair done than my makeup, without a doubt. I can care less. Just give me some concealer and some lip gloss and I'm good. I swear, the more you practice, the faster and faster you'll be. Or you can just come to me so I can curl your hair. Can get you ready for a hot date night. Curl your hair. You can pick an outfit from the boutique we have. And we got some good stuff here. Okay, so we are gonna go down the middle. So I curl my hair down the middle, but you'll see, I don't part my hair down the middle. I used to, not anymore. I love volume. Let it air out. So remember, once I get to the top, those pieces are gonna go away from my face. So when I say away, that means the clamp is gonna be towards your face. And you're just gonna curl away. Leave the tip out, just a slight bend. So the type of haircut I always ask for is, I like all the weight in the bottom. I like it to be blunt, but I love long textured layers. And then I do get a gloss I would say about every 4 to 5 weeks, I'll get a gloss. I'm a level 3. I'm like not black, almost there. Just really, really dark brown. So I won't run my fingers through my hair yet. First, I love to grab some texture spray. This is my favorite one. So you're just gonna grab your hair with your fingers, separate it. Get this top part, that's where you want the volume. This side. Okay, so this is what I do. After it's like cooled down and I sprayed my texture spray, I'll run my fingers through my hair. And then this is how I part my hair to the side. So I notice when I curl my hair down the middle, spray the texture spray, and I flip it to my left side, it gives me the most volume. I don't like it to be like straight down, just effortless tossed hair. And then I go back, add a little more texture spray. Like, look at that. And I'll finish it off with IGK Cashin. It's an instant repair serum. Just a little oil, gloss the ends, make it look shiny and healthy. All you need is like a little bead size. You just rub it in your fingers and just coat your ends. And that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys do this, tag me. I would love to see how it turns out. Or if you have any questions, just go ahead and message me and I can help explain it better or give you some products I recommend and on your hair type. Mine it's coarse and frizzy, so that's why I use a lot of products. If you do have fine hair, I wouldn't recommend that much products, but for sure the texture spray. Okay, thank you so much.